of Waterbase, who joins in from the sidelines of the Prabhudas Leeladhar Rising Star 2017 Investor Conference. And one of the triggers for your company will be the amalgamation with the Pinay Seeds, which happens to be a part of your group company. Can you give us some update on what's happening over there?
Yeah, we had a recent hearing in NCLT, and the court has reserved its orders now. So we hope that it should go through any time. So with this amalgamation, then we'll have increased capacities. As you know, Waterbase has a 35,000 ton capacity, and with this amalgamation, the total capacity would go to 110,000 tons.
That's a big jump, sir, you're talking about in your capacity. So just once again, if you could just revise the numbers, the current capacity and the addition that will happen post the amalgamation of your subsidiary. And also if you could tell us what is the current utilization which prompted you to go in for such, large capacity now?
Waterbase has a 35,000 ton capacity, and Pinay has 75,000 ton capacity. So combinedly, we have a 110,000 ton capacity, and the capacity utilization right now is below 50%. And going forward, we would like to increase this capacity because we are expanding into a lot of new markets now. So we hope that utilization rate would improve in the coming years.
So, your margin trajectory has been pretty volatile actually, and over the last couple of years, it's actually been trending lower. Can you tell us why this is, and also what's the outlook going ahead?
Our EBITDAs have been improving consistently. Even if you take the data from 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14 and 14, 15, our EBITDAs have moved beyond double digit. And it was a one-off thing that due to the floods that we had reported losses in FY16. FY17, if you look at even our margins are close to 9% in the feed business. This year especially, there had been steep increase in the prices of raw materials, especially products like soya, fish meal and fish oil. The prices have gone up beyond 20%. And we could not pass it on to the customers this year. So we see a bit of contraction in the margins over there. But now that this raw material prices have softened, we can look forward to again double-digit EBITDA margins going forward.
Okay, so looking forward to double-digit EBITDA margins in the back of lower raw material prices. We know you're a manufacturer of shrimp feed in India, one of the largest ones. But if you could just give us a breakup of your different businesses, in terms of sales, just to get a sense of, more about the company.
I mean, over 90% of our revenues come through shrimp feed business. Shrimp processing and export business we have just begun. And going forward, we would like to increase the revenues in that front also. We are also starting few new verticals. We are getting into the farm input segment, which we call farm care segment here under the brand Baylife.
All right, so thanks very much for your time. Enjoy your conference, and we hope to touch base with you a little later. Thanks very much.